Hey guys, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and leave all your comments. So guys, as you see, I have this wig and I'm going to be doing a revamp plus adding like I'll do like an ombre effect to the ends and then I add a patch in the front. So first I'm going to go ahead, pin the wig down to the canvas edge and then go ahead with my volume 20 developer and my quick glue. So I'm going to go ahead, section out the portion that I'll be adding all the mixture to, and then go ahead and add the mixture. So just please watch and learn. And as you can see, this wig is very matted, so I have a lot of work to do. So just watch and learn, see how well this comes out, and you know your girl got this. And because I won't be bleaching the knots, you can see that this consistency of the consistency of this mixture is very watery, because I want it to spread evenly throughout the ear. So I just made it watery and not thick. So that's a key thing for me. I made it watery when I'm dyeing, but when I'm like bleaching knots, which I don't do anymore, I use like a thick paste. So as you can see, I'm going through the bleach portion with a fine tooth comb so I can get all the mixture to every strand, because I want everything to be bleached. After completing the front portion, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the ends. So as you can see, there was bleach on my gloves, so I'm going to use a paper towel to wipe that off before it bleaches the ear. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the ends. So you're going to see what I do. I'm not just using the brush to add the mixture evenly across. I'm using the brush and then use my fingers to work the bleach up, because I don't want it to have that blunt cut off. I want it to fade gradually. Yes, that's the word. I want it to fade gradually. So I'm using the comb, to make streaks on the hair instead of just pasting it across, and then use my fingers to work it. So that's a key thing also, because you don't want it to have that blunt cut straight across. You want it to fade gradually. When you do it this way, that's how you get that nice ombre effect. Now I'm done adding the mixture to the ends, so I'm going to check on the front. And because I want to have a specific color, I don't want it to be over bleached or under bleached, so I'm going to go ahead, because the front already got the color that I want, I'm going to go ahead and wash it out using my Tresemme Moisture Rich Conditioner along with my Shimmer Lights shampoo. So it's the purple shampoo. So that's going to help to tone down the brassiness with the portion that I bleached. And then I'm going to go in with the Moisture Rich Conditioner to revamp this hair and make it nice and smooth. So I'm here washing out the bleach, and as you can see, the front is more bleached than the ends. So after washing and conditioning the hair, I'm going to go ahead and re-bleach the ends so I can get the same exact color as the front. And as I said earlier, this hair is super matted, so I'm adding a lot of conditioner. I'm drenching it in conditioner and then leave it to sit a little bit before washing it out. Now on to the detangling. I'm gonna work my way from the ends up to the root as always, because you don't want to damage the hair. Even though this hair is very matted, I'm going to try my best not to lose too much hair. So I'm going to go ahead, detangle, wash it out, and I'm using, because this is a curly hair, I think it's body wave, so I'm using like cold water. There's no heat, no lukewarm water, just cold water, because I don't want to damage the curls. So that's what I'm doing, washing the hair out and then put it back to the mannequin and then re-bleach the ends, and then I'll come back with the final results. So now I'm not going to show you how I re-bleach the hair, but I'm prepping it for bleaching again, and then I'm going to come back with the final results. Because this is a curly hair and want to get rid of some of the water, I'm just crunching it up to get the curl pattern back. So I'm just crunching it up, and then after that you'll see the final results that I re-bleach when I re-bleach the ends. And voila, here you go. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're new, please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment and subscribe, and also share this video. Tell your friend, share it with anyone so they can come over, leave a positive feedback, and also subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.